Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am here to finish my. I'm here to finish my project again. So first, I'd like to do a sound check first, whether or not the audio is good and the video is good. So hold on one moment. In the meantime, let's open VS Code from the previous project. So okay, I think uh, in the last stream, we finished the two section for the color as well as the font. Now it's the text style that what I want to do. And so let's give it a like that. And let's run this in a live server. Okay, this is what I've built so far. Uh, the last part is just the text styles like this one. Yep. And so previously we just I at least look up like how to do it from just uh, inspecting the code because I don't want to do any sort of mistake. So yeah. Oh wait. Sources. Yeah. So this is how we are going to do it. I'm just gonna follow this, and so what I am planning to do is finishing these finishing finishing the project, of course, and then trying to deploy it in GitHub Pages. How to deploy. So yeah, it's basically like uh, you can like host static and free website using GitHub, and yeah, hopefully you guys can access it and see it. So anyone could see it, and I think yeah, that's the plan to do for 2 days live stream. Okay, I want to do the audio check first. Sorry for if it's taking too long. Hello? Okay, I can't hear anything, so okay, I forgot to turn on the volume. Okay, okay, it's done. Uh, audio checking is good. Everything is good. Now we can continue to finish the project. So for the textile div, style guide, colors, fonts, and textiles. So the first is we also have a div for with a class of text container. That's like the main div. Not the main div. I mean, like we have a main container that contains the whole text styles. Now we have another div for the text uh, in the styles. So let's see. We have a text container inside of it, and then we have another div of text panel. Yep. And inside the text panel, we're going to have an h1 that has the h1. Sorry, h1, and then main page heading. Okay, and then an unordered list, and then the list of, I think, yeah, this is the font weight. Font weight is 700 or bold. So I think we need to change it according to the previous font that we imported, which is the Concerat Black TTF that we downloaded from the font. So that is one. The other one is the font size. So I'm not sure what's like the proper, it's like already like the best heading size is. Let's just do this according to what they did. And then the font family is of course Concerat. Correct. Okay, nice. So that is good. Now we can add the second font since we only have like two font. So I think since we only have two fonts, maybe for the subheading we can use a lighter wait, I want to check. What is there any like the lighter version of the Gonsara that we use? So I think we have a lighter or like less bold one. for our subheading, maybe just so we can add subheading and then the paragraph. For the paragraph, I choose the monospace one, which is, I forgot the name. It's the Courier Prime. I think it's for the yeah, for the second pick of it, but for the subheading, I think we can, let me check in the fonts here. So there's like I think we can use the medium, the Gonseret medium TTF. I don't know, I think we can import it as well. So, okay, so let's ask, maybe we can use Copilot. Let's see if, what if I want to import more, more font, more, or like more typeface from Gonseret, like the maybe for the Gonseret regular. Okay, so okay, that's not what I meant. Uh, 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 mm, 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 mm. Oh, so we just add like a font face on it, and then like, okay, okay. For the whole body, I accept it to be that, but let's just add another font face, which is font family, which is the Gonseret regular, and then yeah, it's supposed to be in the same location. So yeah, if you see here, I have a this is the main folder, and then we have a fonts folder, and it's inside here. So I think the CSS supposed to be able to understand that. Okay. Okay. So my browser is broken again. I cannot see the chat even though there's no one watching. So, but that's okay. One moment, I need to check if there is. Okay, it's okay. At least the chat is working. The audio is supposed to be working as well. Yeah, okay, it's working. I just like, it's because I'm silenced. That's why I can't hear anything. Stupid. Okay. Okay, so next, after that, we can definitely, it's supposed to be working, right? Or is it not working? Yeah, okay. It's good. Let's go back to the index, and we can style this after this. So, sorry. Okay, so the next one is the H2 subheading. The font weight, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna put 500. It's or the font style, or maybe not the weight, but font style, because the style is the regular. Yes, and then for this, the font style is the font style for this one is the black one, because that's what it's is. The concert black. I don't know. I think it's just to indicate that it is bold. Okay. Yeah, that's good. And then the other one, I'm not sure about the size, but let's do 18 as well, according to the example here. Now we copy and paste it, and this is for the p tag, or oops, for the p, or the paragraph text. I think for the paragraph we use the 400 as well, or I forgot which one is it that we use. Courier Prime, the 700 one. Okay, I don't mind. It's okay. Which one is it though? Is it like the old? I'm just gonna put 700 for now. And the text probably 14 as well. And this is Courier Prime. Yep. Big C, Big C. Okay, that's nice. Let's check what is it looking so far. Okay, now we just need to style them according to according to their what do you call them? Style them according to their desired font, or like their destined font. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's just a okay, text panel H1, text panel H2. Yeah. Okay. That's very nice. Very straightforward as well, because it's already for text panel H1. I don't really need to do anything, don't I? Because uh it's already properly sized, but it's okay. For weight 700, the font size is 32 pixels, and then the font family is the Gonseret. Okay, that should do. Okay, the next one is the text panel H2, which has a font weight of 400, 500. Font size of 18 pixels, and then the font family of regular. I don't know if it changed. Oops. Okay, it doesn't really change it, but let's see. Maybe if you do not add the font weight. What if you do not add the font weight? Maybe like this. Okay. Doesn't work. Why is it? Why isn't it working? Maybe we don't need to add this. The thing is, the subheading doesn't, the text panel doesn't change as well. So, oh, sorry, this is not supposed to be, this is supposed to be H2. That's why it's not changing. Sorry, yeah. Now it's changing, yep. And then I think, yeah, that's what I was supposed to write there. And then what else did they add? Because what about the other part? Because this one's supposed to be working, right? Why is the font size and the other is not working? Is it because I need to specify the UL? Maybe we can have it giving the UL a class of maybe subheading for the UL, and then dot ul, no, not with the subheading. We can have a font size of the same with that, 18 pixels, and then the font family of consort regular. Yeah, what about that? It doesn't really change that, is it? Why we can't change the subheading? Why is that? Okay. Maybe if we do this subheading. Okay. Okay, that works. That works, right? Okay, that works, yeah. I think. Okay. So for some reason that works today, but for here it doesn't really add anything. Is it because they already... Okay, you know what? It's okay. I'm not really sure what's happening, to be honest, but I think it's because the main font in the body, we already set it up to the Gonserrat, and the Gonserrat we add is like the black one, the main one, the bold one that we use for the heading. But now, yeah, well, okay, it's okay. I think the last, we only need the text panel P for the last one, and that's going to be 14, and then oops, it's going to be text panel P, sorry, text panel P, and then the font size is going to be 14 according to that. And then the font family is actually the Courier. Nice. Let's see if that works. Okay, still did not work. Okay, wait, what else do we need to add? Paragraph. Like that. Because I forgot to change it to P, as always. Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's supposed to work, right? Okay, let me add the font weight as well for both of these. Can I combine them? I think I can combine them, right? Okay, I think okay, maybe that. I know there's a more efficient way to combine them, but I can't remember. Is it putting it next to this? Okay, you know what? It's okay. Let's separate them because they have the same thing, right? Yeah, it's the same thing. Let's just put this comma and then subheading. Yeah. But for this, I want to add a font weight of 700. Just to make it nicer and bolder and nicer and bolder. I think we have finished, right? I think we finished. Lovely. Okay, so let's check all our project progress. So we already add an element for subheading, adding font weight and everything. We already checked some of the previous like design. You met your target for 2 weeks in a row. Finally, you know, putting my money worth at Codecademy. Nice. Okay, so it's all finished. And what's next? Do I need to put it here? So to make it more complete? Okay, wait. Let's Okay, so but after this, I really want to okay, yeah, so far it's correct, and I really want to like try uploading it in GitHub Pages. Okay, first it's styles of CSS, and ooh, the font is gonna be broken because yeah, for like the okay, okay, that's nice, right? That's nice, right? That's like the plan we have so far. The font we use two font. Okay, I think the Gonsarat one, they just take it from like okay, never mind. It looks great so far, like as we intended it to be. And although I think some because I use the downloaded font, I need to like upload the whole font folders as well. So I'm not sure how that would affect if I put it in GitHub Pages, but I don't mind as long as we can give it a try. So let's find the guide on how to upload our project to GitHub Pages, because so far this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Yeah, finish our second project, creating a website style guide. We choose the colors from coolers.co. They have a monochromatic palette, which I really like it. For the font, we use two. One is one of my favorite font, which is that I've been using to create some for the thumbnail, for like uh, a lot of the YouTube stuff and the social media stuff that I use. I use Montserrat. It's similar to Montserrat, but it has a little, I don't know, it's a bit different, you know. We use that, and for the secondary one, we choose Query Prime. We choose Query Prime from the Google Fonts, and from the Google font, we can just import the CDN, right? The here, over here, and then in the style CSS, we can just import it as one of the font family. And yeah, this is the result so far. And I think now I want to upload it to GitHub Pages. So, okay. If you want to create a GitHub Pages for a repository where not all of the files in the repository are related to the site, we'll be able to configure a publishing source for a site. Okay. No, I want to make a new repository for this. Okay. GitHub Pages is built on top of, okay, wait. I think, okay. How to use GitHub Pages. Okay, let's just watch a video. You know what? Let's just watch a video. I'm sorry. Let's go to YouTube and look for it just because it's, I think, more how to upload to host in GitHub Pages 2024. Okay, yeah.
I show you how to host and publish your website for free using GitHub Pages. This is ideal for static sites like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Perfect
First, you
for what we
create a
need.
GitHub account. Insert email address and password, verify you are a human, and verify your email address. Then we create a repository. If it's a personal site, name it your username.github.io so that your website will be available at that root address. For project sites, any name works, and the website will be available at a subfolder of that address. After creating your repo, it's time to upload your website files. Make sure you have an index.html as the entry point of your website. You can see that for this project we have a main page with a button that changes the background color, and the link to
Okay.
the About page. Then we have the About page, a JS file where we change the background when the button is clicked, and the CSS for the styling. You
Okay.
can upload files using Git or GitHub user-friendly drag and drop feature.
I think let's just use the drag and
GitHub
drop.
Pages. Go to your repository settings, find page, select deploy from a branch, usually the main branch, and choose the root directory. Hit save. Going back to the main page of the repository, a yellow circle indicates processing. Click it to view the status. Once done, your site's link appears in the pages section.
Okay. That seems pretty easy enough. Okay, let's go to GitHub. And then we can just go to my profile.
Are you ready?
Oh. Jekyll. What is Jekyll? Maybe that's from another. Okay, one moment. Let's create a new repository and then let's name it what should we name it? Okay. Website style guide. Maybe we can do Code Academy. Okay. The description is maybe later. Public is public. Add a README file. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll add the README later. Let's create a repository and then let's try to use the command line, I guess. Why not, right? Okay, let's try. Okay, I don't know if I can, I remember or not. Hopefully I can still remember. Okay, so we open the terminal here. Yes, website design system or style, I don't know. Okay, and then use git init. Initialize empty repository. Okay, why do we have a... Ah, okay, so it's because of all the font. You know what? It's okay. Okay. Okay, what else? Okay, git add. Okay, git add readme.md. Oh, okay. Fatal, readme did not match any file. Oh, because we don't have any readme. Okay, so maybe we can do this one. We copy that. Boom. Okay, that should work, right? I think because my git is already set up. Git branch dot m main. Nice, and then git push. Failed to push some ref. Okay, why is that? Okay, maybe I need to git add everything first, right? Git add dot. I think that should work. Now we can git push. So okay. Oh. Some ref. Why is it not working? Can I just do this? I already staged the changes. Can I just... Okay, I don't get it sometimes. Okay, let's just try to do this. I think we already what's it the command? Git setup? Git check? Okay, let's see dash help. Oh, okay, git log. Is it git log? Git log. Okay, my main doesn't have any init. Okay, how do I commit then? Do I just git commit? Okay, let's try that. Git commit dash m first commit like that. Oh, sorry, I do 2 m's, 3 m's. Okay, that should work, right? Yeah, okay. Git branch dash main. So git branch, we're on the main already. Okay, and then git remote or add origin. So I think this is to add this local repo into the GitHub. Remote already exists. Okay, let's just push it. I think we already connected before. Oh yes, finally. Okay, it works. Okay, let's give it a refresh here. And it works. Okay, now how do you set up the GitHub pages again? We already
Website will be available at a subfolder of that address. After creating your repo, it's time to upload your website files. Make sure you have an index.html as button that changes the yes file where we change the background it or GitHub settings, find page, select deploy. Next, set up GitHub pages. Go to
Okay.
repository settings, find page, select deploy from a branch, usually the main branch, and choose the root.
Okay, first let's see the index. Okay, done. We're good. We're good. Styles is also good. Looking good. Okay, let's go to settings. Let's go to pages. And which one is it?
Directory. Hit save. Going back to the main page.
Okay, so all we need to do is choose the main branch, the root, and save. Okay, and then what else?
Repository. A yellow circle indicates processing. Click it to view the
Okay, let's see. Let's go to code and okay, pending. Let's open the details. Oh, okay. What is built with Jekyll? I don't know what's that is so far. Okay. Oh, okay. I have no idea what this is all doing, but okay. Okay, pages build and deploy. Now, how can I access it? Is this it? This is it? It's live, I guess. It's live? Wait, I want to check it on my phone. Wait, one moment. Whether or not this is working, because I think it's supposed to be live right now. See? And I know github.io/website-style-guide codecademy. It's live, pretty much. It's very static. It's just, okay, wait, I want to check if it's working on my phone. I think it's working. I think that's working. On 1 second, I want to check. Oh yeah, it works. Although, some of it is not really. Some of the what do you call it? Like the box is a bit uh misaligned. It's not as aligned as this, which is odd because here, if it's in a small like display, it's aligned, but when looking at the phone, it's not aligned. So, but at least we deploy something and it works. Let's see if it's let's see in a different browser. Okay, still. So I'm not sure why this is not working. But yeah, this is working so far. We uploaded it, and I'll put it in the description if anyone want to check it out. But so far it's working, and oh, it's pretty easy then to deploy it. Okay, it's only I think it's also because it's only HTML and CSS. So, but it's working. So definitely, definitely gonna try to deploy some of the other projects here. Okay, wait one moment. Okay, sorry, I missed a Duolingo streak apparently for some reason, but Okay, I'll continue it later. Sorry, I missed one day. But yeah, GitHub Pages built, and yeah, we don't have a favicon, but at least it's online, so anyone want to check it out, go ahead. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Next is we're going to continue. I'm going to continue the project, the course, of course, and yeah. Intermediate CSS. Nice. Okay, that's good. What's the next step? Fundamentals of web design. Okay, so the goal of this unit is to introduce fundamental web design. You will learn the best user interface design practices you can implement. So apparently, I think we choosing the Figma course was right. Well, I think we need to do this and the Figma, or like, yeah. But make wireframe design. So I think we chose the UI, the Figma course, and then doing this is also good because I think we already have some basic foundation of creating the web design. See, we're gonna make wireframes again. I don't mind that. I think I need more practice as well. So let's do it. Okay, we already know what wireframes are. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're good. Yeah, okay. As always, a bit of review. So, wireframe is just like a structure, which, if it's approved, it focuses on like the usability of it, the functional of it, and then from there, if it's approved by the team, by the developer, by the designer, by the whole team, continue to design and creating the mock-up, the prototype, and then so yeah, that's
web and graphic designer from the Philadelphia area. In this video, we're going to take a look at how we go from a design or an idea for a site to an actual website. So you are all ready to build your website. Maybe you've been working.
oh, sorry, I pressed restart accidentally, sorry.
Hello, my name is Maggie. I'm ready to be built. Photoshop and have your whole site laid out. Or you've gathered all of your images and fonts and have a detailed sketch. Or you have a great idea inside of your mind ready to be built. Sometimes we get to this point and we just don't know what comes next.
Okay.
This can be a little bit overwhelming and may make us want to jump ship. In this video, I'm going to give you some ideas on how to proceed from your idea to your site. When we begin to build our websites, let's think about their underlying structure as being grids. The design of our websites as we build them out in HTML and CSS are informed by a grid.
Okay.
The header region, a nav section, a main banner, a footer. As we think grid, let's work with common HTML tags to define the sections of our site. Let's focus on visual hierarchy and visual continuity as we move through the different sections.
Okay.
We can visualize the work that we do as being similar to that of an architect. When the architect works on his or her blueprint, it serves as the guide for the design. An architect's blueprint is also informed by a grid. HTML and CSS are the tools that we use to build out the design on the underlying grid. As we move through our design process, we think visual hierarchy. We work with our grid and we organize our information on that grid. And we let visual hierarchy inform the user experience. So, what are the focal points? We could begin and say our middle section is the focal point with our images. We clearly see the use of the grid and we see the use of images as well as color. What would be second? Visually, my eye goes up to our header and we see we have our type here. And again, as we take a closer look at our type, we see the difference between UI, UX, and graphic designer and what is underneath. Most likely, UI, UX, graphic designer is in an H1 tag, and most likely underneath it's within a P tag. As we take a closer look at what comes next, maybe it is the footer. We could also say that our nav bar is tied with the footer. As we move through our design process, we think visual continuity. Good web design has a sense of visual cohesion and visual continuity. We can achieve this through color, type, and through adding similar sections to our site. We keep this in mind as we build our CSS.
Okay.
As we take a closer look at this site, we see the use of the same nav bar. We can see the same footer.
Mm-hmm.
And as we take a closer look, we see that we have a two-column layout. And we compare the layout of Light Breakfast and Contact Info, we can see that they're stylized in very similar ways. Therefore, they share the same CSS rules most likely. As we move along the web design process, we gather our content. Our content may be images, text, video files. As we gather our content, we make design decisions. We decide what colors we're going to use. We choose between the images that we have. We edit our text and choose typography. Moving from gathering our content, making design decisions, we add a style guide that contains our colors, our type, and other info that stylizes our site. All of this informs our HTML and our CSS as we build. Although it may be hard to believe, once you've gathered all of the content for your site, the hard work is done. Now
Okay.
you can build your site and let the underlying grid inform your design.
Okay.
Here are some ideas on how to proceed. Take it one section at a time, allowing HTML and CSS to inform the layout.
Oh,
As you proceed,
what's
look
that?
for the
Sorry.
similarities and the differences as you choose your HTML and your CSS. Build your style guide and be open to change. This
Okay.
still may feel a little overwhelming, so with that in mind, why not start with the HTML5 tags to define the sections of your site?
Yeah, header,
Some of these tags are
navigation,
header, nav,
main
main
section, and
footer.
footer. Yep, the
In
semantic.
doing this, we begin by taking a global view. We see we have our site to the left, and to the right, we have the same site with the grid overlay. We can see we have our nav, a main banner, and from here we have sections and sections ending with a footer. You may
Okay.
still feel a little overwhelmed, so let's take this a step further and start writing our HTML and CSS and plan how the layout is on our grid. We see we start with our nav, and with the grid that our logo is aligned left, our nav items are aligned right. Below this, we find our main banner with the image as a background on this HTML tag within the CSS, and we see our type. We see the visual hierarchy that's used within this type. We let the HTML tags tell the story of our site. We type our opening and closer header tag. Inside of our header, we add
The
our
navigation.
nav.
Yeah.
After our nav, we add our
And the main.
giving
Yes.
our main the class of banner.
Banner.
As we build our
Nice.
HTML, let's think about our CSS at the same time. HTML and CSS work together. By building our CSS rules as we are adding our
Ooh,
HTML,
I like this. They give each like section
we'll be
the
able to
comment
more clearly
just to
see
know
the similarities
and not
and
get
fix our
confused.
code
Yeah, I
when
should do
needed.
that.
So, based on the HTML that I just have written, I have divided my style.css sheet into the following sections. I have a comment for universal styles, for my header, for my nav, and I've added section and footer. As I build, this will grow. This is just an initial step and a way to show you how to proceed as you begin the process of designing a website. Since I'm not going to go through a step-by-step procedure on how to build this website, let's take a closer look at a finished site.
Okay.
So we have the reference of how we begin and what it looks like when something is finished. Tortoiseshell Optics is another example of a site. For this one, we'll take a closer look at the HTML and CSS.
Okay.
This Tortoiseshell Optics project you can access through Codecademy's platform. We see the use of visual continuity, visual hierarchy. We can see that there is a grid that informs the layout of this site. Let's take a look at the code without getting too far into the weeds. To the right, I've taken our project and I have applied a grid and cut it up to the header, sections, and the footer. We come to our index.html and we see our header section that is containing all of the content in the header area. The nav bar, the image is set as a background, and we see we have a div for don't just look, see. We see
Okay.
we're using
Yeah.
a section tag for this section with supporting as well as info. And as we move to the bottom of our index.html, we see we have our footer region. Again, letting the HTML tags inform our layout, inform our grid. Taking a closer look at our style.css, we see we have universal styles. Our universal styles could often be included in our style guide. For instance, we can see how our HTML tag is stylized with the font family, the background color, the font size, and we can come in and see all of these different rules that we have for the header area and how we've used the header comment to create this section. We see the info for our supporting section, our info section, and we come down and we see the rules for
The media
our header.
query.
As you move through the design process, stay open to change. The creative process that we enter into when we design is about taking risks and trying new things.
Yeah.
We enter a dialogue with our design. When something doesn't work out or appear the way that we thought it would, we come up with new ideas and try another approach. And from here, we build, build, build. Over the course of this video, we looked at how we can let an underlying grid inform our layout, how we can work with HTML and CSS, and look for similarities in the tags and the selectors that we choose. We looked at the role of visual hierarchy and visual continuity as we build and design our sites.
So
If you like
visual
this video, you can
hierarchy
subscribe
and
below. And if you'd like to bring your skills to the next level, come learn on Codecademy's platform today. Thanks so much.
visual hierarchy and visual continuity. That's a good note right there. Okay, next, wireframing. Okay, you will learn about wireframes and prototypes, which we have already, which is great. Why they're useful and how they're involved with the user experience design process. This is helpful if you'd like to understand the design process before development and how multiple iteration of a design must be critiqued and revised in order to present the ideal product to the user. Okay. Why should a mobile app design team focus on a wireframe for a prototype? Okay, I think this is correct. No. No. Nope. This one. Nice. What is the primary purpose of a prototype? No, it's not. It's not release product. It's not a skeleton. Yeah, this one. Which of the following is not a valid method of prototyping? What is native prototyping mean? Graphic design software. Okay, Figma, of course. Graphic design software also. I think that falls on the same category. Presentation software. Like, is it this one? Okay. Okay, so Keynote and PowerPoint can be used. So let's try again. Maybe native prototyping. Also no. Graphic design software. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I understand. Thank you. Because graphic design can be anything and not just the wireframe. But the design one is, I think, specific to wireframe. What do we have here? Color is essential to overall aesthetics and usability of your website. With 60 million, ooh, the possibilities are endless. The button isn't working properly. Oh, okay, we're learning color theory. And why is it important? Color pairs well. Color schemes are available to produce effective design. How contrast by row, what row combination you should avoid. Okay, yeah, this is nice. A little bit candy break. The color wheel. Yeah, I mean, I learned about it when editing like photos and editing videos before, so I quite understand a little bit. Chateau, yellow green is chateau, chartreuse. Blue green is teal, blue purple is violet, and red purple is magenta. So when creating like the color grading or like when you want to edit photos, the one that I learned is that you use like the opposite color, or complementary color, because it's like the opposite of each other. Blue and like orange, yellow, and red and green, things like that. Yep, I remember we can use the keyword right away using a hex code or RGB or the HSLA. Okay, it's the most semantic, but it's hard for me, you know. That's why I choose the hex code is like the easiest. I think we can just like pick. But I think yeah, I understand why HSLA is more preferred because you can control it. You can control every part of the saturation, the hue, the lightness, the alpha, everything. Because yeah, in this SS color we also like play around with it previously. Warm colors. Feeling of aggression. Considered bold. Yeah. I forgot. Which one is the hue again? Is it this one? Sorry. Let's do like maybe 13. Okay. Maybe like something like 20, 26. Oh, no, wrong. That's the one I want. 26. Okay. $44. And let's do 57. Yeah, okay. That's a nice nice transition, like the sunset color. Yeah, the other side is the cool one. Okay, let's do 269. And then we can do okay, maybe we can do 245. Okay, now let's do 200 for this. Okay, so it's like the higher it is, it's like more magenta, more purple-ish, but the lower it is the more lighter blue teal-ish, right? Oh, okay, 180 maybe. Okay, it's actually quite similar. Okay, to the fourth one and to the fifth. Sorry. Okay, and then the fourth color, which we need to wait. No, no, no. The third color is 200. What is okay? I think I accidentally changed it back. And then for the fifth color, it is the lowest, or at least 146. I don't know. Yeah, it's closer to green for the cooler color. Okay, next, tints and shades. Okay, I want to write that to the notes. Color theory, we have warm. Warm is like below like 100, I think. And then the cool is, they are above like 120-ish in the HSLA. The higher it is, higher is more orange, lower is yellow, but for the color is the lower, the higher is more purple, the lower is more green, greenish, teal-ish. Nice, okay. And then we have tints and shades. So the previous one is, what is it again? cool colors and warm colors, and now the shades. Okay, HSL, lightness, yep. Let's do 35. Okay, it's definitely not as dark as the first color. Update the lightness of the third color, class background color between these. So let's do 53. Yeah, definitely the higher it is, the more closer it is to light or like white, I think. For the lightness, 0 is dark, 0 is darker, 100% is lighter. Lightness, okay. Fourth color, we're going to make them 64. And then for this, of course, the infamous 69. Yeah, that's nice. Now this is the other one that is interesting, which is the color contrast. Yeah, this website does not have any contrast whatsoever, but I don't mind it. You know, it's more monochromatic. But of course, yes, contrast provides clarity. So I think I'm going to write that. Oh, oh, my back hurts, man. It's been almost, oh, it's only been an hour. Okay. Probably after this, I'm going to finish and continue the course later. Hello, which one is the real one? Okay. In style CSS, change the text color within the body. I don't know what 999 is. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, okay. Previously, I don't think we can see it. Okay. Next. Ah, see, this is what I'm talking about. Color schemes. Because it's complementary, there's called analogous, and then there's the triadic one. So this is like a good practice or like a good color combination. So it has to be, yeah, it's gonna be having these, like this type of combination. Harmonizing color, yes, that's what I meant. Will put you better place to determine what is best moving forward. Yeah, see, this is monochromatic, complementary, analogous. So the monochromatic, this is uses the different hue of that color, right? Complementary is the opposite, analogous is like side by side, and then the triadic is like shape as a triangle. Green-ish, teal-ish, tiled side, okay. Halfway there. The most basic color scheme possibly uses a single color with varying shades and tints to create a monochromatic palette. This monochromatic color scheme are beneficial when they provide an organized impression when applied to your design. Then use of a single color. Okay. Notice the insufficient contrast around the gray links and button. Yes, that's what I felt when I saw this the first time. To a nice dark navy blue. Okay. Sorry, I think I need to grab my shoes later. I was like drying them in the sun. Never mind about that. Okay. We go to styles CSS. Let's find the anchor tag. Yeah. And let's change the color to 0 D1C32. It didn't really change anything, but okay, I guess. Oh, the about link only. Okay. Let's make some changes to the buttons on the side. Change the background color of button primary. So let's find where button primary is. Here, let's change the color to also 0D1C32. Now, okay, now we can see a bit more in the button. Oh, not the color, the back. Okay, wait. Okay, just do X. Okay, sorry, I did not read that. So it's not that. Yeah, okay. Adding more contrast to that is definitely better for the web. And the footer as well. Where's the footer? So items. I think footer is at the top or at the bottom. Okay, this one. Oh, okay, so it's a different blue. ECF3FF. Okay. Is it this one? I think the main buttons on this side are probably needed to download the application, but there's a second type of button which wants you to subscribe. So we should use a different shade of blue to differentiate this button from the other. So let's go to button secondary. Button secondary, yes, we found them. And then okay, the background color we change it to 627 FB0. Okay, nice. Look at that. Very nice. Sorry. Let's use this slate blue as an accent color elsewhere. The page hero is designed. Okay. Man, I can't. I look forward to learning media query and stuff. Just because making it mobile friendly, making it accessible. So okay, let's try to be as fast as possible for this and continue again tomorrow. Six two seven FB0. Okay, nice. Adding some contrast to it. Make the background color of the main content benefit. Main dot content benefits. Make the background color to F5, F9, FF. Is it this one that we add, or main content benefits? Or okay. The text in front of that very light blue can be a very dark navy color. Okay, main content benefits. H2 0D1 C32. Okay, yeah, this one, this color, the step 1 and step 2. CTA, where is it? Main content CTA. Okay, this one. OD 1C32. Okay, yeah, that's the CTA. We change it. It's often helpful to give distinct sections of content their own background color to create visual grouping that convey how information is grouped. Okay. Let's see in the bigger picture because I think it looks nicer here. Oh yeah, definitely. Okay. It's often helpful to give main content info. Main content dash info. Okay, there's only one, which is this class. Background color to that. Okay, background image, background repeat, background position, something. Okay, let's just add a background color of 627 FP0. Why is it wrong? It's the main content info, right? Is it because I'm using the wrong FP? No. Okay. Okay, which one is the correct one? Main content info. What? What? Okay, that should work, I think. Yes, that should work. Although I'm not sure which part. Okay, it's this one, I think. I don't know why that didn't work. Okay, next. Complementary designs. Now. Los Angeles Lakers and Minnesota Vikings feature purples and yellows. Chicago Bears, New York Mets, blue oranges. Dramatic display of color. Okay, let's write that. So complementary provides a dramatic display of colors. Okay, let's update this website again to make it more having a complementary color. So let's look for button dash primary, and it's a DB9A11. Okay, yeah, the blue and then the yellow orange. Okay, and then the main content, main dash content dash benefits h2. Let's change it to hashtag DB9A111. Oops. Yeah, the step 1. Okay, let's see the full version of this website. Now it's looking lively, I understand that now, using the complementary. I think now it's the triadic run. Analogous. Okay, for the analogous, create a analogous color schemes create a visually pleasing and calming display. I cannot type. Why is that? Okay. Okay, use in background, not in the main, because it has less contrast. Okay. Button primary, we change it. We've changed the button colors like 3 times now. This is what front definitely do, right? Changing button colors. Okay. I prefer the yellow one. It's more, yeah, more visible, more in of your face, you know? Like people should download it ASAP. Okay, now we go back to main contents, benefits, main content benefits H2, text color to this, which is 65A3, A3C7. Yeah, I prefer the orange color. Main content CTA, it's this one. Background color, we change it to 65A3C7. Okay, it's either one of these one that we changed. No, triadic, okay. Triadic color schemes provide additional pops of color while allowing for some flexibility. Okay, so I think it's one of the more equidistant from each other. Yeah, that's the more proper word for it. Equidistant, the same distance between the 3 of them. Stability, they create sense of equality, vibrancy, and security. Okay. Now we're changing it again, people. In the button primary again. Nine to AE for A. Okay, okay, I see what you did there. Okay, now we button secondary. We also change that. Yep. Okay, all the secondary button as well. Now the text color of the main content dash benefits that the H2 one, we use the BD6152. Control enter. I like this more. Yep. I think this is more fun, but I think I prefer the orange for the download and for all the buttons. But that's all right. Oops. Control F. Main dot contents dot CTA. Oh, sorry, the BD one, not the 991. BD6152. Okay, okay. So adding a bit more color and contrast to all the section. Marvelous. Nice. Color psychology. Here we go. This is another topic for inside of this module. A designer must determine the feel of the website. Every color has different context and meaning, and color psychology can impact how people perceive a design and relate to the colors used. Choosing the right colors can help non-verbally communicate the context and emotion of a product or service. Each color has a specific meaning, both positive and negative, which can evoke emotion from a user. For instance, here's a list of words associated with colors. Let's copy this image and put it in our notes. Okay, I'm definitely putting all the notes and all the links in like the video description now, because I was lazy and didn't put them where it belonged. But now I wanted to do I want to do it now. Sorry, one moment. What date is it today? It's the 11th of May. Okay, it's the 11th of May. Sorry, I'm reading something. Okay, so all these colors have their own meaning and what type of emotion they convey. And yeah, it's truly has their own meaning and purpose. Wait, or like what type of color they use. Okay, so okay, sorry. Next one is black is luxurious and powerful, white is innocent and pure, gray is unemotional and compromising. Imaginative, royal, and spiritual. Next, best practices. Sorry. Okay, best practices. Now we talk about use neon colors sparingly. While the use of neon colors can feel hip, they are often hard on user eyes. Okay, avoid vibrating color. See the example on the right. How intense and distracting this pairing feel. Use backdrop to separate vibrating colors in the example. The white backdrop behind the green card reduces the space where the contrasting color and green are directly each other. Avoid color combination with insufficient contrast. Bright colors on top of bright colors, light colors on top of light, dark on top of dark colors. Even if there's enough contrast in these pairings for the different colors to be legible, they likely won't create enough contrast to attract the user's attention. Remember that most users skim websites. They are not reading every word and checking every menu. You need to guide the user to the most important content with good color choices. Again, the review for the color theory, having contrast is good. We're gonna use some use color promotes harmony, using color that fits context and emotion. I'm gonna copy paste this and putting it in the notes, and the notes is going to be on the description below. It's just like using color on projects. So it's just some tiny notes, teal-ish. that I use just as a tiny reminder. I guess I'll I'll put it in the description, of course, if you guys want to see some of the notes. So of course, contrast is so people can see it. The shades of tints add some flexible effects on it, I think, so so it won't be too bright or like color that like clashes with each other. Yeah, avoid combination that can cause issue for users. Okay, so today, okay, after finishing the quiz, I'm gonna do a little bit of review, and I'm gonna end the stream for today. What is a tint of a color produce? What color should your text be if applied on white? So it's going to be a bit of a dark gray, yes, for contrast. What is caused from pairing two high saturated colors together, even while they may be complementary to one another? It's called vibrating color. So, which of these are not category of color scheme? Supplementary, because it's complement, not supplementary. Which color evokes emotion of passion and energy? Let's see the notes. That's why we have notes. The passion and energy is it's red. Yes. Okay, shade is when white is added. Oh. Oh, that's okay, that's the lightness. Now the shade is the other one. Yeah. What is a monochromatic color scheme? It's used base color with varying shades and tints to create a color scheme. Yep. Which color is considered to be warm? Which is red. Which of these color combinations should you, the designer, avoid? We should avoid all this color combination. Bright on top of bright, yes. Light on top of light, yes. Okay, yeah, all of it. Because it's bad practice. What do artists and designers use the color wheel for? Oh, okay, yeah, all of the answers are correct. Sorry, I should read it better. But okay, that's all for the quiz summary. So, what is this? Okay, we have another project of adding colors to this website, but this is on the next stream. I'm going to check the syllabus at the home. How much progress have we gained? It's probably like 1% or half. Okay, 2% actually. We gained 2%. Nice. So from a few days ago, we are on 17. Now we're on 19. We still have a lot more to go, which is okay because I'm looking forward for this and this because it's gonna make it more fun, the website. But okay, we're on the fundamentals of web design. We finished 42%. Okay, so after I think I want to do the next stream. The next stream where we can finish the color theory and like half for the color for UI, or probably the project as well. But okay, the next stream we're gonna do this. What we finish is we create our own project, which is hosted on GitHub. So we can definitely see it live here in the website guide. Although, how do you see it live? How can I see it live? The point is, it's live, and let's say the complete job. I don't know I don't know what that means, but how can we see the website? Here we go. So we created this for our project. We deployed it on GitHub. We finished the chapter for the fundamental of web design. We start with the wireframing. We also finished that because we previously already know wireframing by taking the UI UX course, and now the colors theory. And then we have a project for colors theory, but I'm gonna finish the project later. I think I'm gonna for the next stream I'm gonna finish these two chapter, or probably with the text design as well. and probably we have another project, I think one or two more projects, and after that we finish the fundamental of web design, and then after that we can continue to the making websites responsive. You know, I'm really looking forward to this because this is well, okay, I think we cannot open that yet. Okay, this is recommended, creating backend app with JavaScript. Okay, I don't know. I still want to finish this first because front end it's so long. You know, I only like did 1/5, and it took like almost 2 months or 3 months. That's why. But I think now by me being more consistent of it, I think I can do it faster. And by streaming it, I kind of have like a proof of what I've learned and what I've done. So yeah, that's all for today's stream. Thank you for tuning in. Uh, if you're interested in the Code Academy course, I need to sign up for the affiliate link. So yeah, you guys can sign up. Sorry for taking too long, but I'll try to get it done today or tomorrow. Promise this time. You know, I'll open the link. So affiliate program. So yeah, I'm gonna sign up after this. Just so you, if anyone wants to join here, yeah, if anyone want to join the course using my link, I would greatly help the channel. And yeah, thank you for again, thank you for tuning in. I'll link everything I mentioned below for the previous video as well. So yeah, for the previous stream. So thank you. Have a great day, good evening, good afternoon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and yeah, don't forget to smile because it's a lovely day, you know, or whatever.